Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Pretty sure this is from the Apex Pass Around group, but as per usual, I can't remember what it was that was being sent. So we'll find out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and other exclusive benefits, there is, of course, a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. I'm sure it's been confusing because I sharpened this. This is actually, so all my content's pre-recorded. So you guys probably recently have seen me unbox stuff with the dulled scalpel. And you're like, well, he just sharpened that on Sunday. Yeah, lots of pre-recorded stuff. This is actually the first unboxing with the sharpened scalpel, and oh boy, that's much better. Oh boy, that's much better. What do we have here? Ah, we have a Civivi. Interesting. Okay, whoa, okay. Stickers from Everyday Minimalist. So check out Everyday Minimalist on YouTube. I'll keep one of those for myself. Thank you so much. And what do we have here? Always love taking a look at Civivis because they have, you know, simple generic designs, but they generally do a good job with it. Oh, yeah. Finally, there we go. This is the Civivi Ferrum Forge. Oh, is it the Odium? The Odium? What is this? Yeah. Odium. This will absolutely be linked right down in the description, along with Civivi knives in general, so you can pick them up. If you have never experienced a Civivi knife, Civivi makes excellent knives for the price range. They like to stick around the $40 to $60 mark generically. They use good materials like D2, 9CR, 18 MOV. This one is D2, and then they use G10 for the scales, and oftentimes, well, usually, of course, just steel for the liners. This is a collaboration between Ferrum Forge and Civivi, and it has that distinct Ferrum Forge look that I love. Always appreciate that. And it has that nice, large forward choil. Oh, man, that is... yeah, this is a good one. This is definitely something that speaks to me. I have come to appreciate smaller knives. I'm not saying I don't like my large knives. My preference is still with a larger knife, but man, if I can get a smaller knife that I can get a choke up, I have this rule about being able to get a full purchase on it. I do not like small knives that I cannot get a full purchase on nearly as much. And this little guy, it's a little teeny tiny thing. Put it up against like the, here's the mini bug out, right? Just to give you a point of reference here. This guy is pretty, it's substantially smaller than the mini bug out. But the problem with the bug out is, oh, I'm slipping off the end back here because of where I'm putting my index finger. This guy, obviously if you do the same right here, but if you choke up on it, oh boy, yeah. And I'm going to guess, because it's a Ferrum Forge, yeah, you totally have access to that nice sized slot there, so you can do the reverse flick. That's cool. Being able to get that type of fidget factor in a small knife is really cool. And, oh my gosh, contoured scales, like in the style of the Shaman. Look at this. Really Shaman-esque contouring going on the scales, like the similarities in shape for sure, but the contouring, oh yes, very much. Oh, there's a lot of love here. Very cool. This is not an expensive knife. That is a nice little EDC knife with some really preferable ergonomics and aesthetics, and that's a personal thing, but aesthetically this is a nice looking knife. Honestly, really like that black, sort of blackwash blade that they've got, contrast with the black G10. It comes in a bunch of different configurations, by the way. So you're going to be able to get this in a bunch of different colors. There's, I think they got like plain satin and gray and maybe some OD green, I'd guess. But yeah, a whole bunch of different stuff. So check out the links in the description. If you decide to make a purchase, it absolutely does benefit my channel. But if not, that's okay too. This is really cool. I'm very excited about this. Absolutely. All right, guys. That's going to be it for today's short little unboxing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.